Hello guys and welcome. I'm gonna replace the headlight bulb, the low beams for my Acura ILX 2013 because this side burnt out, but the other side's still good, but it's always good to replace in pairs. So let's go ahead and get to the work, huh? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pop out these tabs, you know, one here, these tabs, lift out this cooling plate, and then hopefully I have easy access to the housing. Let's get to it. So I'm going to use this little Phillip head right here. Just going to push down on this pin, alright, and pop it out with this little thingy. Or I can pop it out later. I'm just going to lift it up. And this one, I need a flathead for this. But I'm going to push the other pins. I only got 2 pins. Okay. Get my flathead. Okie dokie. Try this out. Okay, that's good. Try this out. I need to give me one of them, the prying tools. That's good. Try this out. Oh, don't want to break that. I think I already did. I can go buy me new ones anyways. That's too weak. Okay. And that's just all I want to lose. I can go ahead and lift this cooling plate out without losing any of those plastic things. Okay, set this out of the way. I'll put it over here by this chair. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, all these are coming loose. It's coming loose. That's coming loose. Okay. This one's gonna come loose. Okay. Take that out. Put it over here. Don't want to lose any of these. And everything should come up. Put this to the side. And I should have easy access to the headlight bulb. So I gotta remove this little air duct here because this thing is right there. So let's pop these 2 out and hopefully we can get some kind of access. Push down, push down. Cool. Don't want to lose any of these. Okay, I just put it off to the side. Over here. This is the whole intake box, so I don't think I can move that. But I should have easy access to that right now. Yeah. So, let's see what we can do. Alright, there it is right there. I'm gonna try to turn it counterclockwise so it can open. There you go, now it pops out. Okay. Okay. And then now I'm gonna take out that bulb. Yeah. And voila, there it is. And it looked like it really popped, did it? Yeah. Yeah, it popped the coil. The coil snapped. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. Alright, so get this one here. This little tab right here, I'm not pretty sure if you guys can see it. You know, I wish I can zoom in. So you just gotta pull that out. There you go. Yeah, you can shake it. You can hear a little metal banging. So let's go and replace this one with a brand new headlight. Alright, so I got it open, and it really don't matter what side you use. They both use the same plug, but you don't want to touch the bulb with oily or greasy hands or gloves because it's gonna heat up and it's gonna crack the glass. So it's always good to make yourself like a clean paper towel, and we're gonna cover the bulb with a clean towel, and we'll try to clip it back to the thing. Make sure the connections are the same thing, the same facing. I wish I could turn my camera around. Maybe I should. Hold on. Alright, so here's the connection, and you want to make sure it's, you know, facing the correct way. Okay. This tab right here, make sure it goes on the bottom of this. So go ahead and clip it in. Okay, you hear that click, that means it's good. Okay, and now we're going to try to carefully put this back into its housing. Cool, done. You want to make sure it goes in here. Okay, now let's close it up. Sealed. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, so this one right here is somewhat fairly simple. I mean, it's hidden right here next to this ABS thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this washer reservoir out so I can have easy access on my left hand. Alright, once that's out, I can go ahead and put my hand in there and just twist it up. There we go. Pop out. There we go. Lefty loosey. Pop that out, put this cap to the side, and then we grab that right there. Put your hand in there, twist counterclockwise. This one's still good. And now let's go ahead and pull this out. There's a clip right there. Yeah, there we go. You just pull this tab up and pull out. So I got the new one in. So we're going to try to put it back into this little hole right here. There we go. Make sure it's aligned. And put the cap back in there. Says open to lock. Go in here. Alright, once you got it in there, it's flat. Go ahead and put your cooling plate back in and test out your lights. And you want to remember to put this thing back in. Okay. There we go. Yeah. And you don't want to forget about this guy. Make sure you put this guy back in here. Cool. Get it in line with the hose. There you go. You want to push these pins out first. There we go. Push these guys out first. Put it in the hole. Done. And then you just put that cooling plate back in and check out your headlights. So I'm gonna check my headlights right now. Yeah. Both lights are good to go. Alright, take it easy, guys.